Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share Google Sheets tabs to different people. So if you want to share specific tabs in Google Sheets with different people while keeping the rest private, there are some effective methods that I'm going to show you through this video. So the first one, you can just manually copy and share the specific tabs. So if you only need to share a sheet occasionally, you can just copy the data to a new Google Sheet. So what you need to do is just open your Google Sheets file like this, and then right click on the tab that you want to share. For example, this one, right click and choose to copy to, and in here select new spreadsheet. Now you can just open the new spreadsheet, click on open, and then you can just share it with the intended person. So you tap on the share button and add their email. So it is based for one-time sharing of specific tab. Second one, you can use the import range functions. So if you want to automatically update a Google Sheet when changes occur, you can use the import range function. So you can just create a new Google Sheets, and then in the cells A1, you can just, for example, this is a new sheet, let's say. So in here you can just type in just like this, import range, and then you can just copy the spreadsheet URL, which is this one. For example, choose, let's just copy this. So just paste it like this, comma, and then you can just choose the sheets tab sheet, this one. So I'm going to just write it like this, bar from A1 to Z1000. Hit on enter. And then the spreadsheets will be copied in here, the tab sheets. You can just share the new Google Sheet with the intended user. And the third one, you can also just protect other sheets and restrict access. So if you want to share the entire file but restrict editing or viewing of certain sheets, you can just use the sheets protection. So open your Google Sheets and then click on the tab sheets that you want to protect. For example, I'm going to protect this. And then you can just go to data and find the protect sheet and ranges, this one. Click on add sheets or range, and in here you can just tap on sheet, this one, and then you can just tap on set permission and choose who can edit on view or view the sheets. This is only me, and then just tap on done. So it will keep some sheets private while allowing access to others. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.